Hello everyone. Today's class is based on solid. So, solids are the three-dimensional objects which occupies a fixed amount of space. A solid has length, breadth and height, all three dimensions. That's why they are called 3D shapes. They are not flat like plane figures. Some of the solids are cube, cuboid, cone, sphere, cylinder. So, what is surface? The part of a solid which we usually touch and see is called surface of the solid. There are two kinds of surface are available: flat surface or plane surface, curved surface or rounded surface. Some basic points of solids are as follows. Face. Face is the flat surface of a solid. Edge is the meeting point of two or more faces. Vertex is the corner of a solid. It is the point where two or more edges meet. Now, cube. A cube is a solid which has 6 identical square faces, 12 edges and 8 vertices. Some of cubes are playing die, Rubik cubes, ice cube, etc. Here is a diagram for cube. This is the face, that are edge, and this is vertex. Now, cuboid. A cuboid is a solid which has 6 rectangular faces, 12 edges and 8 vertices, and opposite faces are identical or same. Some examples of cuboids are book, notebook, blackboard, gift box, etc. Here is the diagram of a cuboid: face, vertex and edges. Now, cylinder. A cylinder is a solid which has 2 plane faces and 1 curved face, 2 edges, but it has no vertex. Some of the cylinders are soft drink can, post box, paint can, etc. There is a diagram of cylinder. This is the curved face. There are 2 flat surface and there are 2 curved edges. Now, cone. A cone is a solid which has 1 plane face and 1 curved face, 1 edge and 1 vertex. Some example of cone are ice cream cone, joker's cap, traffic cone, etc. Here is the diagram for a cone. This is the vertex, this is the curved face, and this is the flat surface, and another thing is curved edge. Now, this is sphere. A sphere is a solid which has just 1 curved face. It has no edges and no vertices. Example of spheres are cricket ball, football, earth, orange, etc. This is the diagram of a sphere. It has just only a curved face.